In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game icons missing. If your Steam game shortcut suddenly turned blank or shows a generic icon, don't worry, this quick walkthrough will restore the proper icon so your desktop looks the way it should. Start by locating the shortcut for the game that's missing its icon. This might be on your desktop, in a games folder, or wherever you usually keep your shortcuts. Make sure you've got the correct shortcut, ideally the one created by Steam. Getting this right matters, because we're going to adjust settings that apply to that specific shortcut. Next, right-click the game's shortcut and choose Properties from the menu. This opens the Properties window, which is where Windows stores details about the shortcut, including what icon it should display. In the Properties window, switch to the Web Document tab. This tab is specific to web-style shortcuts, which is what Steam typically creates when you ask it to make a desktop shortcut. If you don't see the Web Document tab, double-check that you're working with the Steam-created shortcut rather than a direct executable shortcut. Now click the button labeled Change Icon. This opens a new dialog that lets you pick the icon file you want to use. It might show some default system icons at first, but we're going to point it to Steam's own icon files. Click Browse, and navigate through your file system to find the Steam icons folder. Follow this path, open this PC, then the Windows C drive, then Program Files x86, then Steam, then the Steam folder inside it, and finally the Games folder. This Steam Games directory contains the icon files that match your installed Steam games. Inside the Games folder, choose the icon file that corresponds to your game. The file names might look technical, but the preview usually makes it clear which icon belongs to which game. Once you've selected the appropriate icon, click OK. Back in the Properties window, click Apply to save your changes. Take a moment to confirm you can see the updated icon in the Web Document tab. If it looks correct, click OK to close the Properties window. Your desktop shortcut should now show the proper Steam game icon. If it doesn't refresh immediately, give it a second or click on the desktop and press F5 to refresh the view. That's it. Thanks for watching.